Friday, March 16th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Another warm day for today. Highs way above average for the middle stages of March. And really, it's kind of a summertime type of deal as we get through the afternoon and the evening hours. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. Same deal tomorrow, too. And overall, the warm pattern continues, but there'll be some subtle day-to-day differences here. I'll get into that as today's edition of the video unfolds. There's the radar imagery this morning. Most of the rain focused from Ohio and Pennsylvania back into western Kentucky and Tennessee, Missouri Boot Hill region as well. And as we get into this afternoon, in this soupy type of regime, I do expect scattered showers and thunderstorms to fire here in our part of the world. Now, there's the warmth this morning, and there's a lot of it. This does not look like a March temperature map. In fact, it's hard to find any cold air anywhere at all across the lower 48 this morning. And there's the watch, warning, and advisory situation. You do have some winter weather products out west, but all the orange shaded counties, those are various fire-related products there from New Mexico and Arizona all the way up into Montana and the Dakotas. Yesterday, had a pretty decent amount of severe weather reports, the most significant being up into southeastern Michigan. Pretty significant tornado affected that part of the country, and a lot of hail and wind reports scattered through the Ohio and in the Tennessee Valley regions. Now, here's the overall upper air chart for today. And for the central and eastern part of the country, just kind of a broad zonal flow. Now, as we get into next week, some changes occur. This is what it looks like by Monday afternoon. It still looks like that's going to turn into a big cutoff low around the lower Mississippi Valley or the Ozarks by around Thursday of next week. And again, this is the European model. It finally brings that low right overhead here by early Saturday morning. So that's going to be the forecast challenge next week, the development and movement of that cutoff low. Now, let's talk about today. There's the day one. Today and tonight's severe weather outlook. A lot of C-text areas, but the only categorical risk is back into Texas and Oklahoma. But kind of like we saw yesterday around our region, this is a summertime deal. So you'll get these almost pulse type of severe storms where when they get intense enough, you'll get some small hail and gusty winds with the storms when they do form across the region. All right, here's what the SPC WRF modeling looks like. This is valid this evening. And again, you're looking at that scattering of showers and thunderstorms. GFS on that same general scenario as well, with scattered showers and storms. Warm temperatures today, still a lot of us up toward the lower 80s for highs this afternoon. Tomorrow, more the same. I think warm conditions, scattered showers and thunderstorms. But we do have a backdoor front moving through, and it looks like that front will try to move into a position something like that by Sunday. If that's the case, it'd be a little cooler over much of North Carolina and also more stable. So some scattered showers, but probably less in the way of thunderstorms on Sunday if that front does move that far south. Now looking at next work week, there's Monday. Going to have to mention the chance of at least a few showers popping up through the day with highs in the mid and upper 70s in many spots. Now, the GFS keeps some shower chances around on a daily basis. The European kind of dries this out. So we'll see. Tuesday, Wednesday, I guess you can't rule out a shower or two. But the big story is going to be the developing cutoff low here. And this could be a big severe weather producer as this slowly marches east across the southern tier of the country. So that is Tuesday. Here's Wednesday. That low slowly moving our way. Thursday. And it's still off to our west by Thursday. And again, the GFS and the European eventually bring this into our region, kind of in that Friday to Saturday time frame. So we'll kind of see how that behaves as we get into next week. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a great weekend, and God bless.